Hello everyone, I'm Trent, and today we're going to talk about the Tusk Accessory Dash Panels. Now, if you've been out on longer adventure rides, you already know things like additional lighting, heated hand grips, and maybe even a heated seat are must-haves to keep you comfortable on those long rides. Now, as you start adding all of those parts, your handlebars get more and more cluttered. That's where this comes in. This right here gives you a great place to put multiple switches all in the same location, as well as in most cases, add an additional 12-volt power port. These things are awesome. They're made out of aluminum, so they're nice and light, and then they're powder-coated black to give it that nice finish, but also gonna aid in making sure that these hold up to the abuse. Now, when it does come to these holes, the holes for the switches are a 1/2-inch hole. The hole for the 12-volt plug is 1 1/8. That's one of the most common questions on our webpage about these. Now, a big thing I will tell you, this is a machine-specific part. We make them different for all the different machines that we offer them for. So if you jump to the link or put in your machine on the product page, again, you're gonna need your year, make, and model. If your machine pops up, we've got you covered with one of these dash panels. Now, a big thing that I will show you with this one in particular that I've got in my hand, this is for the DRZ 400. Now you'll see 2 bigger ports on this one. This lower one is to move your keyed ignition switch. In order to put a dash panel on that bike, we had to move it over. But again, that's just one thing to show you that when it came to how we were building these, we looked at every single avenue to make sure that these were going to fit the bill with how this was going to look on your machine, as well as how functional this was going to be for each specific model. Now, if you do have any questions about these, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. We would love to get them answered. Go ahead, as always, if you liked this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to all of our Rocky Mountain ATV channels here on YouTube. We'd love to keep you up to date with all things that we've got going on here at Rocky Mountain ATV. As always, we do offer free shipping on all orders over $75. And if you're looking to get ready, this is the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.